Hi, I'm Dan Milliken. I first got into aviation because about 6 years ago in my film and video business, I first heard about people using drones to capture great video. So wanting to do it right, I went out and got my pilot's license and the FAA 333 exemption to be legal. On this micro edition of Taking Off, we'll take a look at the earlier Wild West days of droning with some drone fails. I don't know who was piloting all of these that follow, but I do know that no property or people were hurt or damaged in any of these incidents, other than the drones themselves. Okay, I'm going to start with a crash that happened to me. When I first got into drones, there were no small Phantoms or anything like that. My first drone was an 8-bladed behemoth, an Octo. And wanting to do it right, I went out into the country, miles away from any house or building, to run some tests. I ran it straight out to see how far it could go. And when contact was supposed to be lost, it's supposed to return. Good thing I ran a test. DJI makes the brains that controls these drones, and they've been buggy. I've had Phantoms that just flew away on 3 separate occasions. I've had them just literally quit in mid-flight and drop down. Batteries still strong, like these. DJI has been making improvements, and one of the first safety features they did was a front obstacle avoidance, which is stupid. Rarely does anyone run directly into something. Usually it's because they're moving sideways and a flagpole jumps out. So I hope you've enjoyed this crash compilation. No people or property were injured. But you drone pilots out there, be aware that stuff happens. Drones fly away, they fall from the sky, they do crazy stuff, and can cause a lot of damage. Don't be that guy. Fly safely, fly smart, and stay within the rules.